Hello everyone, well it's me Surya Prakash, and today this video is going to be the continuation of the playlist titled How to Make Money for Beginners, that is the easiest way to make money for beginners. And in today's video I am going to show you a way with which you will be able to earn at least $100 daily. And in this video I'm just going to show you guys the ways to earn, and at the end of this video I'll be also showing you the live withdrawal proof of me receiving money from this website. So today I am going to work with the website known as Aeon Faucet. Well, it's spelled as Aeon, but Aeon is how you must search for it, or you can just directly search Google for the link aeonfaucet.me, or you can just search for Aeon Faucet and you will be redirected to this site. Well, this site is a faucet site which pays you in cryptocurrency for doing simple tasks. There are a few offer roles integrated. Well, this is primarily a faucet site, and there are also short links. So, well, I already have an account. I made the account before 2 weeks, I guess, and I have already earned nearly more than $100 by not even spending time on this site. So if you spend time on the site, you will be able to easily earn up to $100 a day. Well, if you just follow whatever I tell in this video, your earning can go from $100 to $300. Okay, so let's make sure to watch this video until the end if you want to learn everything. Well, these are the features of this site, and these are a few of the payment proofs. One of the best thing is that they support a lot of cryptocurrencies such as USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, there is Polygon, it's Tron, Solana. Well, there are a lot of currencies they support, right? So now I'm just going to log in to my account. So this is my account. Oh yeah, well, as you can see, I have earned a total of $104.9. That is, let's keep it as $115. I just invited a single person, and he also earned nearly $1, right? I got a notification. Okay, I won $1.25 from the lottery before 2 minutes. Wow, right? Well, that's the reason my account balance has gotten up. So guys, some of the great ways which you can earn is via achievements. Over here you can earn literally nearly $1, more than $1 from just doing achievements. Another thing is leaderboard. If you are in some of the higher positions, you can earn a lot. If you say you are the first position in all the leaderboards, you will be able to earn 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, there are 4 leaderboards. Okay, you'll be able to earn $4 a week. Now, the most important thing which I like in this website is going to be the tasks. Well, for each task they pay you like $1, half a dollar, 80 cents, $0.15, and they pay you $1.2 too. Well, and all they need is for us to make an account over here. Simply, if I just go create a Binance account using this original link over here, just remember I have been using this website for more than 2 weeks. None of the things presented here is a scam or anything. They carefully verify everything, so we'll be able to earn more. And now recently you saw me winning, right? It was from the lottery over here. Yeah, as you can see, my username is entered over here, John. I have won 1.025 USD 4 minutes ago. I'm just going to try my luck today too. I'm just going to purchase a lottery ticket is just 0.05 cents. So even if I just purchase 10 lottery tickets, it's just going to be $0.5. So I'm just going to purchase 10 lottery tickets. Now if I win, I'm going to get $1.05. Lucky, right? The more the amount of lottery I purchase, the more chances of me I have it winning. The reason why I purchased 10 tickets is going to be because I'm going to get this back. I'm just going to get $0.05. That is the price of lottery ticket back. And if I purchase 15 lotteries, I'm just going to get $0.2 back. With that, I will be able to buy another 4 lottery tickets. Wow, 5 energy have been added to. Dice, it is one of the best way with which you can actually earn a lot of profits. Just take a look at my profits. I have a sure way to win from the race. Well, I will make a separate video on that, and I'll leave that video's link in the description and the first comment if you guys want it. If you want the confirmed way to win from the race, just leave it in the comment section. I'll post a video. Now, auto faucet is that if I just stay on this page for 60 seconds, I am going to win this much amount. I'm just going to skip it. I'll just stay on it later. Now, every 10 minutes once I'll be able to earn plus, so I'll be able to earn $0.006 and I'll be able to do it 15 times a day. Really good, right? Now, short links is one of the things which I love actually. With short links, I can earn a huge lot of money. That is, the more amount of short links I do, I guess that is an achievement for short links too. Yeah. See, I'll be able to earn a lot of energy along with money, and with energy I'll be able to do the auto faucet and win even more. So that's the reason I daily complete all the 15 short links myself. Now PTC, it is where you go click and watch an advertisement for let's say 10 seconds and you are going to win this much. Pretty easy, right? Now offer walls is where you can earn a lot. Let me show you. See, just take a look at it. We can earn literally a whole lot of money just from doing simple surveys. For 17 minutes, they're going to pay me $0.68. Pretty great, right? Now, this is another offer wall. Well, they're going to pay the same amount as the previous offer wall. So do not worry. I'm just going to clear this captcha. Tractors. This is the tractor, right? See, I'll be able to earn a lot by simply doing simple tasks or PTC or offers. These three give us a huge whole lot of big rewards. Let me show you. For doing simple offers, the offer would be depending on my location. See, I can earn $20 or $29 by simply completing offers. So this is one of the most easiest way to earn. So just say you put in 8 hours a day, you'll be able to earn literally at least $100 daily. Just imagine, just from tasks, all these tasks just require 5 to 10 minutes of time, and they're just paying $1 for every task. On an average, let's say even if they pay $0.5, it's going to be a whole lot, right? See, here they pay $1.2 for simply inviting few people. So this is one of the best ways. And something which I forgot to say is that I will leave my referral link in the description and first comment. So make sure to make an account from that. And if suppose you guys make an account from that, I would get 10% of your lifetime earnings. So let's say you earn $100, so I would be earning $10 as commission from that for making you join via my referral. And you will also be earning few bonuses such as few dollars. Let's say you will earn, I guess, $1 when you withdraw. If you just make an account using my referral link. So guys, just make sure to make an account using my referral link. So this right now they just have two ways to withdraw. One is going to be Binance Pay, one is Faucet Pay. Now I am just going to use my Faucet. I'm going to withdraw. Okay, I'll just withdraw on BTC. I'm going to withdraw. Let's say I'm going to withdraw $6. It would be 0. On today's rate, as now the price is this much. I'm just going to use my address over here. Now I'm just going to hide this part, but obviously it's going to be available in the payment rules section. You can just go take a look at it. So guys, I hope today's video was useful to you and informative to you. If it wasn't, just go click on the thumbs up button located below this video, and do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button you do subscribe button if you want more such videos. Well, it's me Surya Prakash signing off. Let's again meet in the next video. Until then, bye.